Hi, my name is Serhiy, and I've been working with Amazonian master plans for over 5 years. In this video, I'd like to do an overview of the master plans and different ways to work with them. Many years ago, native people of the Amazonian rainforest discovered a range of plants that produce profound healing effects on mind, body, and spirit. We called them master plants. How do we work with the master plant? We sit with it in a dieta. There are two kinds of dietas: the traditional dieta and the social dieta. In the traditional dieta, you limit your social interactions to a minimum. You eat simple food, like potatoes, rice, beets, carrots, and simple greens. You can drink water and some non-caffeinated teas like chamomile and mint. No meats, no breads, no cheese, no sugar, no salt, no sex. The goal is to reduce noise that is caused by social distractions and rich foods. With the noise reduced, it's much easier to hear messages of the plant. And plants talk in different ways, like moods, feelings, dreams, and insights. Relax, meditate, rest, allow yourself to sleep. Do it for 3 days. And then you can close the dieta with a little bit of salt mixed in water with a little bit of lime juice. The second way to work with a master plant is the social dieta. In the social dieta, you still drink it twice a day, the same way as in traditional one. However, you don't change anything else. You eat your normal diet and you maintain your daily routines. The main advantage of the social dieta is that you don't have to wait for a perfect time to start. Even though there is more noise in the social dieta, your master plan will keep on teaching you. Keep in mind that lessons of the master plans can be very subtle at first, but the more you work with them, the more pronounced and profound they become. Now I'd like to talk about some of the master plans that we have available on our website. Ajo Sacha is a cleanser and detoxifier. Ajo Sacha is an excellent choice for those who are just starting to work with the master plans. Bobinsana is a heart opener. Remo Caspi is very grounded. It helps you stay focused and not give a damn. Cullachaqui Caspi is known as a protector of the jungle. It helps you develop your meditation practice and tricks you out of your unhealthy patterns. Chuchuhuasi is a tonic and aphrodisiac, often used for lower back pains. Ayahuma promotes inner silence. Tamamuri detoxifier and helps with emotional trauma release. If you are interested in doing a traditional dieta, we created a 3-day dieta kit, which include preparatory plans, master plan of your choice, and instructions on how to brew and conduct the dieta. If you are interested in doing a social dieta, we have a set of master plan tinctures available on our website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.